In this section, we'll deal specifically with the core requirement of the Pool and Spa Safety Act, backing up a single outlet. This portion of the Act has received the most attention. Backup devices can protect against some forms of entrapment. Backups do not, however, protect against hair, all limb, or mechanical entrapments. Section 1404 of the Pool and Spa Safety Act specifically lists 5 ways to handle a single-source suction outlet: safety vacuum release systems, or SVRS, suction-limiting vent systems, gravity drainage systems, automatic pump shutoffs, and drain disablement. There is more than one solution because there is no single solution that is effective in every pool and spa. North Carolina became the first state in 2010 to allow all options listed in the Pool and Spa Safety Act. Your state or local code may not allow all options, so you must check to see which can be used. The first is an SVRS listed to either the ASME ANSI A112 19.17 or the ASTM F2387 standard. Pools or spas operating off a single main drain or outlet other than an unblockable drain, and those with multiple drains less than 3 feet apart, must also add one or more of the following options: a safety vacuum release system, SVRS, or a suction limiting vent system, or a gravity drainage system, or an automatic pump shutoff system, or disable the drain, or any other system determined by the Commission to be equally effective as or better than the others listed above. SVRS devices should be installed within the scope of the manufacturer's instructions. Pay particular attention to notes about pipe sizing, flow rate, and ability to detect entrapments in the presence of multiple sources of water. SVRS devices have an advantage of being installed on existing installations, avoiding significant renovation and construction costs. Another class of backups are vacuum limiting vents and gravity drainage systems. These systems operate in a different manner than an SVRS. They are designed to always limit the suction to a safe level. The bather is never exposed to the dangerous force. Both work using the same underlying physics. In the case of the vent, piping is configured to allow air to become entrained should a bather ever fully block the outlet. In the case of a gravity drainage system, a surge tank is often used to separate the bather from a potential direct suction entrapping force. Both of these systems must be installed properly and adjusted to limit the vacuum to a safe level. Most ANSI standards use Table 1 of the ASME A112 19.8 suction fitting standard for these vacuum limit values. Gravity drainage and vacuum limiting vent systems are easily field verified. Automatic pump shutoff devices are designed to shut down a pump when a bather entrapment is detected. Many are either listed to the ASME A112 19.17 or the ASTM F2387 SVRS standard. Like SVRS devices, they are good solutions for existing pool and spa installations. Refer to the manufacturer's installation instructions for pipe sizing, flow rate, and the ability to detect entrapments in the presence of multiple sources of water. Drain disablement refers to simply disconnecting the submerged suction outlet. It's a common misperception that drains contribute to the circulation of swimming pools and spas. They do, but only to the extent that the pump is supplied with water. Water can be equally supplied by skimmers and gutters, as pools were constructed for nearly 50 years. While early national pool standards from 1918 until the late 50s recognized strategic location of returns or inlets to create proper circulation, there was a move towards increased use of drains in the circulation system in the late 60s. Early public pool code language recognized that drains were used for draining the pool. The drain disablement approach simply eliminates the hazard and is now recognized by various codes and standards bodies. Check with state or local codes to see if this option is allowed in your area. Finally, while not specifically stated in this list, a single outlet can be converted to a single unblockable outlet, or a secondary outlet can be installed to back up the single outlet. An unblockable outlet is an outlet that has an open area that cannot be shadowed by the area of the 18 by 23 inch blocking element of the ASME 19.8 standard. The rated flow through the remaining open area beyond the shadowed portion cannot create a suction force in excess of the removal force values found in Table 1 of the ASME standard. Since all suction outlet fittings listed to the ASME 19.8 standard protect against all forms of entrapment, this second outlet is designed to back up the first for torso entrapment. It's important that the second outlet be installed at least 3 feet apart from the first, measured from the center of each cover, and that the outlets share a common line back to the pool pump. The flow rate of only one of the fittings should be used as a maximum. In other words, if you have 2 fittings and each is capable of 200 gallons per minute, then 200 gallons per minute is the limit for both combined. They cannot be added to give 400 gallons per minute unless they're rated as single unblockable outlets. So, the Pool and Spa Safety Act allows for a number of options ranging from disabling the drains and completely eliminating the hazard to installing backup devices. However, even when a backup is used, it should be noted that a swimming pool or spa is never safe if the cover is broken or missing, and the pool or spa should be closed to bathers until complete repairs are made.